Guyana, officially known as the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, has a constitution that serves as the supreme law of the country. The current Constitution of Guyana was adopted on October 6, 1980, and it has been amended several times since then. The Constitution provides a framework for the organization and functioning of the government, the protection of fundamental rights and freedoms, and the distribution of powers among the different branches of the state. Here are some of the salient features of the Guyana Constitution. 1. Democratic Republic. The Constitution establishes Guyana as a democratic republic with a system of government based on the principles of representative democracy, sovereignty of the people, and the separation of powers. 2. Fundamental rights and freedoms. The Constitution guarantees a range of fundamental rights and freedoms to the citizens of Guyana, including the right to life, liberty, and security of the person, freedom of expression, assembly, and association, protection from discrimination, and protection of property rights. 3. Executive branch. The executive branch of the Guyanese government is headed by the President, who is both the head of state and the head of government. The President is elected by the citizens of Guyana and exercises executive powers with the assistance of a cabinet. 4. Legislative branch. The Parliament of Guyana is the legislative body responsible for making laws. It consists of two houses, the National Assembly and the President. The National Assembly is made up of elected representatives called members of Parliament (MPs), while the President acts as the ceremonial head of the legislature. 5. Judiciary. The Constitution establishes an independent judiciary to interpret and apply the law. The judiciary consists of the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Caribbean Court of Justice. As the final court of appeal, the judiciary ensures the protection of rights and the rule of law. 6. Regional and local government. The Constitution provides for the establishment of regional and local democratic organs, which enable regional and local governance within the country. These organs have limited autonomy and play a role in local decision-making and development. 7. Indigenous rights. Recognizing the unique position of Guyana's indigenous peoples, the Constitution provides for the protection and promotion of the rights and interests of indigenous communities and their traditional lands. 8. Citizenship. The Constitution outlines the criteria and process for acquiring and renouncing Guyanese citizenship. It also establishes the rights and responsibilities of Guyanese citizens. 9. Amendment procedures. The Constitution sets out the procedures for amending its provisions. Amendments must be approved by a 2/3 majority in the National Assembly or, in certain cases, through a national referendum. Thanks for watching this video and also subscribe Advocate Buzzard Shaw channel.